Good morning, ma'am. I'm Lorena Verayon and I will be doing your classic or French manicure. Please choose your color. Please follow me, ma'am. Can you take your bag, ma'am? Please take a seat. First, I will put some sanitizer to harm the germs. Then I will cut your nails. Then I will now file your nails to make it shape. I will put some cuticle remover to soften the cuticle and to soften the dirt. I will brush it. Now I will use pusher. Now I will put some base coat. I will nipper to remove the cuticle and the dirt. We will clean it. Now I will put some base coat. Now I will put some French tip. Now I will put some classic manicure, red color. Now I will put some top coat. Janet, and this is my presentation for French tip and classic manicure. Bacterial infections need single-cell organisms of varied shapes. Large numbers of bacteria inhabit the surface of the skin and are harmless, non-pathogenic. Indeed, some play an important positive role in the health of the skin. Others, however, are harmful, pathogenic, and can cause skin disease. Viral infections, minute in time is too small to see even under an ordinary microscope. They are considered to be parasites as they require living tissue in order to survive. Viruses invade healthy body cells and multiply within the cell. In due course, the cell walls break down and retain new viral particles to attack harder cells, and thus infection spreads. Fungal diseases. Fungi are microscopic plants. They are parasites dependent upon a host for their existence. Fungal diseases of the skin feed off the waste products of the skin. Some fungi are found on the skin surface. Others attack the deeper tissues. Reproduction of fungi is by means of single cell division or by the production of spores. Thank you.